What's up, guys? It's your girl Karina, and today we are going to be testing one of Karina Garcia's hacks. It's just where you put Play-Doh on your nails to give you like these fake nails, I guess. What she said in her video is, well, of course you're gonna need your nails and some Play-Doh, and she said that to get the Play-Doh knife, so that's what I got. And her method was to roll like a very small piece into a ball. Well, I'm gonna go like even smaller because I don't have big nails, so let's just test this out. So I rolled it into a little ball, as you can see. So yeah, I'm about to put it on my nail. I probably should have gone smaller. I'm going to take it off and then apply a smaller piece. So hopefully this works best. It looks better with a smaller piece, I have to say. But, you know, it's pretty, like, it's sticky, but I think it's just the brand of Play-Doh that I got. Like, it's not from them. I got this from Amazon. And yeah, so I'm gonna get a little bit more Play-Doh because my nails are not long, so I'm gonna try to make it longer. I just came back from my mom's house yesterday. If my mom's watching this, hi Mom. And yeah, so Miss Garcia said to just apply the Play-Doh on your nails to shape it. So I'm shaping it with the Play-Doh knife, like she shaped hers with her Play-Doh knife. So that's what I'm doing. I don't think that this Play-Doh likes me because it's not going on. I would say it's a fail right now, but like I'm not gonna give up because I don't want to give up. Shoot. I'm just trying to put the nail on. It's very thick. Like on the camera it doesn't look bad, but right now, like close up, it looks terrible. Sorry guys, my camera got dirty, so I had to, clean it up. I'm pretty sure I got I made it way too thick. And it's sticking to my skin a lot. But she also said to let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes. Well, at the least, so I'm probably gonna let it sit for 10 minutes. I'm not even done with I'm not even done with my nails, so this might take a while. Yeah, this is terrible. I don't like saying that they failed, and I watch Karina like a lot, but I literally just got done watching her video, so yeah. And I decided to test this out because I was playing with my Play-Doh at the time. So, you know. If you hear that music in the background, that's my brother playing it on his phone. Okay, so I am done with this nail. She said that it was really easy. This is not easy. Don't want to wake up my dad. So, I think that was a fail. Like, it's sticking everywhere. It is stuck to my nail as I was trying to get it off. So, sorry. It was a fail. Like, I'm pretty sure it would have worked with some other people. With their Play-Doh. But to me, it wasn't working. So, this Play-Doh is so sticky. Oh my gosh. I think I need to buy new Play-Doh and then try this some other time. So, yeah, I'm sorry guys. This was a fail. Oh my gosh, it was a fail. Well, anyways guys, thank you guys so much for watching again. And make sure to like that thumb. Make sure to smash that thumb. make sure to smash that like button. I'm going to say hopefully we can get to 50 likes. That'd be so cool if we could get 50 likes. Maybe next time if we get to 50 likes, I might do another testing for somebody's DIY or something, if that's what you guys want. But yeah, make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Yeah. Bye, kitty cats. Meow.